So, here with another tutorial. This is inspired by Selena Gomez Can't Keep My Hands to Myself. If you're new to my channel, my name is Matthew. Welcome to the Artist of Makeup. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know how to get this look, then just please keep on watching.
The first thing that we're going to do is apply foundation. Here we are using L'Oreal Perfect Match. This foundation is a little bit too dark, but this is no matter because we blend it down the neck very good, and for this look a little bit more of a bronze skin is better. Next up is concealer. We're taking the Manhattan Wake Up Concealer in Natural, and I do the normal highlighting routine as you know it from my channel, and then we start to blend it very good out. The baking is optional, but I like to bake because even when I work with dark shadows, the heavy amount of powder is giving me the opportunity for catching all the fallout that we have, and then I start with a loose powder. This is a powder from Makeup Coach. This is a German based brand, and I love this Zauber Puder so much. I start with lining the eyes first. Therefore I take the NYX Stay On, Glide On, Slide On, whatever on pencil. And the reason why I'm doing this is when the model cried, I do not even have to care about that the pencil isn't leaking out of her eye. And then I take the same pencil and apply it on the eyelid and blend it out as I am applying it, and a little goes a long way. And please make sure to line the lower lash line as well, and herefore a little goes a long way too. And especially with this pencil, this is so soft. And with the remaining product on my brush, I take a business card and start to make a cat shape out of the eye. Next up is the transition shade. This is a brownish kind of tone out of the VICHI Cosmetic 28 Neutural palette. I applied it before because it makes blending so easy. Next up I take a gray and a black out of the 28 Neutural palette and mix an off gray shade, because when you look at the video we have a bluish kind of tone, we have a black kind of tone, and I thought this would be the best in between. And as you saw in the clip before, I apply color, blended it out. Repeat until you get the intensity that you want. I repeated I think 3 times on the lid, and I blended out very good into the crease. Then I smoke out the lash line. I take the black straight out because I think when you have a very good smoked out low lash line, this look is cracking. Then I place a little bit of Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector and Opel into the inner corner to give a little bit more of an open eye effect. Next up, I fill in her eyebrows. She has a little bit of an issue because she lost a little bit of eyebrow hair in the ending of her brow, and so I penciled them in with the Tame Frame Eyebrow Pomade. As you know, I love the pomade, and yeah, that's all what we did for the eyebrows. Next up, I apply some Maybelline Colossal Mascara. This is a waterproof one. I don't know which one, but you can choose whatever mascara that you want. Then I apply some falsies. These are Kiss Lashes in the style Rizzy. I love them. They have such a natural vibe to them, and I love to have them in my kit, and I take them everywhere where I go. Then I take the NYX Contouring and Highlighting Pro palette and take the bronzer out of the palette to warm up her face and give her a little bit more of this Selena Gomez sun-kissed kind of look. Next up, contouring. Same palette, but I take a contour shade out of it and shape underneath her cheekbones, on the temple, sides of the nose, underneath the lower lip, and to give her more of a sculpted kind of feel. Next up is highlighting. I take my favorite trick for highlighting. I spray the face with the setting spray, and then I take my highlighter and apply it with a very fluffy brush to give this high shine, bronze goddess kind of feeling to the highlighter. Here I'm using the Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray and the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Opel. For lips, Selena had a very neutral lip. I take here the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in London, and yeah, I fill her lips in and overline them just a little bit. And to top the lip off, I take the Aveda Rehydrating Lip Glaze in Agave Nectar. This is one of my favorite lip glosses of all time. You can use this on so many skin tones, pure or with a lipstick underneath.
So, I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you at the next time. Bye!